Hello everyone. This is Agentic Web, and here I have typed open ES Workflow YouTube channel and search for idle test related content and open that. Also get count of YouTube videos on this channel. Let's see what it does. Okay. So this is in headed mode. It has search for users overflow. Now it is doing some scroll. Okay. Taking snapshots. Yeah. Now fine. So it should find right. It opened. Now it is supposed to find IDO test related content. Fantastic, doing search. Okay. Hey everyone, you are welcome on your started. Right? Today we will see something we have created that is for IDO testing. And this is a one kind of testing in cyber security. Now see what it does. It is going to videos. Now we see some details here, right? IDO related video opened, title is this, URL is this, duration is what is duration of that video, views 35 views published 2 weeks ago, right? Channel, here's overflow, what is handle of the channel, then here's overflow channel stats. Okay, fantastic. Then we have these key details. The video demonstrates testing on IDO, this one. But one more, yeah, so yeah, in video stats we can see this is 56 videos. Fantastic. Okay, so this is how agentic web is working, right? So thanks.